Hello, I'm Patricia Rankin. I'm the chair of the Arizona State University Physics Department, and I want to tell you a little bit about how I became a physicist. When I was growing up in the UK, my first career that I aspired to was to be a firefighter like my father. And this is a picture of me when I'm about 4, wearing a hat that is way too big to me, a coat that looks like a fireman's jacket, his flashlight, which at the time I called a torch because there are a few differences between American English and English, and a rope. I gave up the idea of being a firefighter because somebody told me that firewomen didn't get to fight fires, they got to make tea for the firemen. I was pretty unhappy with that as a prospect, and anyone who's tasted my cooking would probably decide that was not the right career for me to go into. But it was really the last time I let anybody tell me what I could or could not be. So flash forward about 15 years later, and this is a picture of me at a summer school for high energy physicists. You can look at this picture and you can look at me, and I'm sure you can come up with a lot of reasons that I looked different from the majority of people in that picture. You can also come up with a lot of reasons why that picture is not representative of the population of Arizona or the population of the US or the population of the world. The demographics of physics are changing. They're changing slower than I would like, but faster than you might think. I like physics because it's about understanding patterns. The pattern you see on the screen right now is ASU Learn to Thrive. I feel very strongly that one of the most important skills you can have as a citizen today is to learn how to understand the difference between opinion and fact. The color maroon is my favorite color, is an opinion. The color maroon has a wavelength that is 1 foot, is not a fact. It's incorrect. It's wrong. It's not just wrong because you can look it up and see what the wavelength is and get a different answer. It's wrong because if it was a foot or perhaps 30 centimeters, which some people might say makes it sound more scientific, light wouldn't behave the way light behaves. It would behave much more like sound. As a physicist, you will learn how to use the facts at your disposal and the laws of physics to make inferences and predictions about things that you're told and decide how accurate they are. At Arizona State University is to make sure that everybody feels welcomed and to make sure that everybody gets a chance to enjoy exploring physics and finding it as interesting as I do. Welcome to the Department of Physics. Thank you.